Hello everyone, let's start our class. Today we will begin our kanjis with the kanji of ban, that means to watch or the turn. So let's write it. Kanji of ban is this. First stroke, then the kanji of kome, and then we'll write kanji of ta. So this is the kanji of ban, which means to watch, to keep an eye on something. Then it also means turn or number. The reading of this kanji is ban, and we can make a sentence like kondo wa watashi ga hon o yomu ban desu. Here it would mean today it is my turn to read the book. Kondo is this time. Watashi, I, hon no yomu, to read a book, and ban is number. So now it would mean it is my turn now to read the book. Now if we go into the jukugo, we have bango. Bango is number. Suppose you want to know someone's phone number, so that will be denwa bango. Denwa bango will be phone number. Next is bangumi. Bangumi is any program. Next is rusuban denwa. When we say rusuban denwa, so denwa is a phone, but rusuban with it will make answering machine. Next is banjin. So kanji of ban plus jin, it will be watchman. The kanji of jin is nothing but hito. So the person who watches, who keeps an eye, is a watchman. Next kanji we are going to do is go. So first we'll make a kuchi. There. This is the kanji of go. So bango will use this. This also stands for number, but it will not be used alone. So bango would mean any number. So this is the kanji for bango. So please tell me your phone number. How will we say that? Hi, denwa bango oshiete kudasai. Denwa bango. Okay. So denwa bango. Here bango could be the kanji we learned just now. O oshiete kudasai. Oshiemas means to teach. This is the te form of oshiemas, which falls under second group. So please teach me your phone number. So please tell me your phone number. Next kanji we are going to do is the kanji of su or kazu. Kazu is again number. This is the kanji of kazu. Now it has three parts. The first part is the kanji of kome. Second part is the woman radical, the onna kanji, and then third part is this. So this is how this kanji has been made. It means to count. Again, also represent number. So ban, go, kazu, all these kanjis are related to number. So first is kazueru. So kazuermasu means to count. Here we can use the kanji. Please count the pen, or please count the number, please count something. So kazuete kudasai, please count it on your finger. If we say, then finger is yubi. Please count days on your finger. So how we will do it? Please count the days on your fingers. Finger is yubi. Yubi day. He is days. He o kazuete kudasai. Kazuete kudasai. Next is sugaku. The another reading of this kazuemasu is su. So sugaku is maths. So the study of numbers. Sugaku. This is sugaku, which mean maths. So the study of numbers. This gaku is to study. Next is kazu. Kazu is again numbers. Okay, so please count the number of the students in the classroom. So how we will say, or total number of student in the classroom is 6. So how we'll say, total number of student. Total number of students in the classroom is 8. So I will say that kyoshitsu no gakusei wa zenbu de means all together. So all together students in the classroom are 8. So it will be hachi, or kyoshitsu no gakusei no kazu wa 8 nin desu. Hachi is the number and nin is the counter. Hachi nin desu. So instead of writing this kaju, we will write the kanji we learned just now. Kazu wa Instead of writing hachi nin, we can write the kanji of hachi and nin. We can also write hachi nin desu. So all are correct. Kyoshitsu no gakusei no kazu wa 8 nin desu. Number of students in the classroom is 6. Next we will do is kanji of O. The reading is O. It stands for king. Okay. First, second, third, and then fourth. O. This means king. So we can say lion is the king among the animal, king of the animals. So we can say Rai on wa dobutsu no osama desu. Sama is the honorific for people when we want to give them the superlative degree. We put sama. So lion is the king of animal. So this is lion is the king of animals. When we want to say princess, it will be Ojo. It will take this kanji. When we want to say princess, it will be OG. It will be this. So this is princess. This is prince. Now the next kanji is the kanji of tama. First, second, third, fourth, and this. Tama. Tama is a ball. So O and tama has the difference of this point. Tama is a ball. So when we want to say hit the ball with the racket, so racket in Japanese is raketo. Raketo de tama o uchimasu. Uchimasu means to strike or to hit. So to hit the ball with racket. So now we'll start the patterns which we have left where we have left in the last class, and we were doing the pattern of temo, which means even, when, or even if. Okay, so we did it with the verb first, no? Verb te form mo. Tabete mo or okite mo. So if I want to say, even if I wake up at 5 o'clock, I go late, I don't have breakfast. Even if I wake up at 6 o'clock, I don't cook at home. I don't cook at home. So even if I wake up, so wake up is okimasu. It will be okitemo. Okitemo when 6 o'clock. So time will come first. Rokuji ni okitemo. I don't cook at home. Uchi de place of action. Uchi de gohan o tsukurimasen. Okay, I don't cook. Now if I say, even if I cook breakfast, I don't eat. Even if I cook breakfast, I don't eat. Then cook will be tsukurimasu and breakfast is asa gohan. Asa gohan o tsukutte mo. I don't eat. Eat is tabemasu. It will be tabemasen. Asa gohan o tsukutte mo tabemasen. We also did temo pattern with E type adjective. So even if it is cheap, I won't buy, or even if it is small, I'll buy. So any E type adjective we can take just as samui. Samui means cold, and this is used in the case of weather, where sumetai also means cold and it is used for object. So suppose even if the tea is cold, I'll drink. Even if the tea is cold, I will drink. So it will be ocha ga tsumeta kute mo nomimasu. So we cut E and add kute mo. So sumeta kute mo nomimasu. Now we'll do with na type adjective. Na type adjective and noun are treated in the same way. So first it is, let's see the na type adjective such as suki, which means like, or khantan, which means easy. Now we need to add demo. Here also demo. Same rule apply with the noun. So byoki, byoki is sick. So byoki demo. Or even if it rains, ame demo. So this is how we use demo, demo pattern with na type and noun. Now let's make a sentence. Even if it is easy, or even if I like, I will not buy. So even if I like pen, I will not buy. I will not buy any new. Okay. So even if I like pen, pen will be pen. Pen ga suki demo. Pen ga suki demo. kaimasen. Or when we want to put this atarashi, we can say atarashi pen o kaimasen. Pen ga suki demo atarashi no o kaimasen. Here no is replacing pen. Pen ga suki demo atarashi pen o kaimasen. Next is kantan. Or even if it is easy, I don't understand. Even if it is easy, I don't understand. So easy kantan. Wakarimasen. Wakarimasen is negative of wakarimasu, which means to understand. So wakarimasu will be to not understand. Next is byoki or ame. So even if I am sick, I'll go. So suppose I want to make even if I am sick, I will go to school. So sick is byoki here. So byoki demo gakko e ikimasu. Next is even if it rains, I'll go for walk. Even if it rains, I will go for walk. Ame demo walk is sampo. Sampo ni ikimasu. Ame demo even if it rains. Sampo is walk. Ni ikimasu, I'll go for walk. Now the next pattern which we are going to do is the different variety of putting potential form. One which you have already done is dictionary form of the verb plus koto ga arimasu. Like I can write kanji. Okay, so using this pattern we can say watashi wa kanji o, write is to kakimasu. So kakimasu dictionary form will be kaku. Kanji o kaku koto, sorry, this is not arimasu, koto ga dekimasu. So kanji o kaku koto ga dekimasu. Watashi wa kanji o kaku koto ga dekimasu. Or I can eat sushi. So watashi wa sushi o taberu koto ga dekimasu. Okay, so taberu koto ga dekimasu is can eat. Tabemasu dictionary form, taberu koto. Now when we are using koto ga dekimasu, we are bringing dictionary form of the verb with particle o. In another way of saying the same thing, we use it with ga particle and we make the verb or change the verb into potential form. So let's see how to change the verb in the potential form. So again we have three groups and all the three groups have different rule. So first we will do it with the third group. So shimasu and kimasu, these are the fixed. Shimasu will change into dekimasu and kimasu will change into koraremasu. So when I say I play tennis, it is tennis o shimasu. Watashi wa tennis o shimasu. But when we want to say I can play tennis, I can play tennis, it will be tennis ga dekimasu. So here shimasu will change into dekimasu. So now we can write I can play tennis. I will be watashi. Play tennis. Tennis ga dekimasu. Okay. So watashi wa tennis ga dekimasu. Similarly, I'll come on Sunday. If I say I will come on Sunday, so in this way we say nichiyobi ni kimasu. Yobi ni kimasu. But when we want to say I can come on Sunday, it will be watashi wa nichiyobi ni kimasu will change into koraremasu. So this is how we change the verb into potential form, where o particle changes into ga particle but ni particle remain constant. So there is no change in the time particle, only the action particle changes. The o changes into the ga particle. So we will do the remaining, the group 1 and group 2 potential form of the verb in the next class. Today we finish it here. Thank you.